Look what came in. It's a Temu package, so you know what that means. A Temu haul. Let's get to it. Alright guys, this is everything that's in my Temu package. Everything is in those, plastic wraps. So I'm going to take everything out because I think that's going to save some time instead of showing you, getting all the packages open. I think getting all these open and then showing you will save some time. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I unwrapped, got everything out of the packages to the best of my knowledge. Okay, so we're just going to get right to it. The first thing I'm going to show you, this is a sterling pendant. It is a gaming, I don't know if you can see it. I'm hoping you can see this. The chain on it, I like the feel of the chain, the pendant on this. Look at that. I'm hoping you can see this. I'm going to put a picture of this beside it. How much was this? This was, let me see, $3.32 the time that I put this in my cart and that I bought it. Temu, you do got to look around. The prices do fluctuate. And this one right here is another gift that I got my son. It's his birthday coming up soon, and this is just, I love it. I love this. It's a nice chain, sterling silver. It says a saying on it. I'm not going to read it all, but I'll put a picture up. It says, "My dear son," and this was the time that I got it, $4.98. I love this. I love this. Okay, and let's see, this right here is a stress relieving thinner ring in stainless steel. I got this in black. There is different colors that you can choose from, but you put it on your finger and then you can spin it. I don't know if you can see that, but you can spin that. That's pretty cool. And this was, I just saw the price. This was 97 cents. And this one right here is called a blue and black dragon ring stainless steel. There is other colors to choose from. I don't know if you can see the blue in that, but look at that. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. If you can't see it, I'll put a picture up. I don't know if I said the price, but at the time of purchase, it was 87 cents. Okay, which one else? Let me put the ones aside that I did show you. Okay, and this one, like my moon ring, this one is the black rim moon ring. Right now it's all black. Put that on my finger. Maybe it will change color. Oh, it is a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but I got that also for my son. And this right here, okay, these right here. Do I got them? Oh, no, right here. This right here. These two. Yeah. Is there, let me take it. I thought I took it out of the package, and I didn't. Sorry for the crinkling. Hopefully it's not too loud. But these are black bead bracelet, and it says his initial right there. They feel pretty good. They feel pretty good. This is the same one. I'm not going to take it back out, but this is my other son. Or not take it back out, take that one out. And this one, theirs is supposed to be their sign. Look at that. That is Gemini. That's pretty cool. That was 80 cents of the time of purchase. Oh, and the one with the initials with the name, that was 67 time I purchased. Now this one is a gold necklace. I hope you can see it. Let me see if I can get this camera to focus. Come on, focus. Come on. You can do it. Hopefully you can see this. It's a gold. It says Mom right on it with a pink flower. Time of purchase was this was, oh boy. Let me see if I can find it. I have my little list right here. I was better prepared than this. $1.67 for this. This is beautiful. The chain on it actually feels like a good chain. And this thing right here, I'm giving this as a gift because they're a fan. Oh, this is cool. It has cowboys on it. It's blue and white. You can get these in other colors as well. This is pretty cool. I like this. And I think the person I'm giving it to is going to like it as well. This was 89 cents the time that I bought this. And this right here is a butterfly, what are they calling it? Butterfly Gorgeous 925 sterling silver wing. This was 87 cents the time I bought it. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. I'll put a picture up the side over here so you can see it. It's quite heavy. If you don't mind the heavy feeling on your fingers, you'll like that, but it's gorgeous. It's purple and white. That's gorgeous. And that was, what did I say? I think 87 cents. Yeah, 87 cents the time that I purchased this. And these right here, these are gaming socks. Look at these. Let me take them out. I'm gaming, it says. Isn't that cute? The sizes on this was black, one size 913. Love it. This is cute. Let me look at my list and see how much they were. Come on. I should be better prepared than this. I was better prepared, but I can't find it. All right. Well, the price is going to be there somewhere. I didn't pay much for that at all. And look at these stars. Look at these stars. 100 of these. They're glow in the dark. They're blue. These are awesome. These are awesome. And I didn't pay very much for these either. Let me look. 98 cents. Luminous, glow in the dark stars. Like what? Cheap. And this right here is a TV strip. You put it around your TV. There's 3 key modes. Let me see. It says mode, demo, speed, and color. There's different colors that you can choose. Whoa. Excuse me. That fell off. It's a USB. Hopefully I didn't break it. I don't think I did. And that was $4.18 the time that I purchased that. I'm hoping you can hear me. I'm trying to speak as loud as I can. Let me get these signs out. These right here. This one right here. 118. They're little gaming signs. Keep out, gamer at play, leave food at door, leave food and drink at door, and then go away. Enter at own risk. It comes in with a, what do you call these things? I don't know. But this was 118. And this right here, let me see. Do not disturb. I'm gaming. That was also 118. This one right here was a little bit more, but not by much, 148. Give me 5 more minutes. And both of them, or all three of them, did come with this thing right here, so you can hang it up if that's what you want to do with it. Okay, let me see. This right here. Let me take this out of the package. This was $3.48. Which just fell. Oh, it's backwards. But you can hang it hardcore gaming. It's so big, I don't even know if I can fit it all on the screen. But you hang it on your wall. Isn't that cute? Oh, yeah, it did come with something to hang it on your wall. Did I say the price for this? $3.48. Like, what? $3.48? That is, like, really, really cheap. And one last thing. This right here. I got, those coupons that they send you? Okay, this was buy one, get one, 50% off. I thought I opened it, and I didn't. Sorry. So let me open, the feeling on this. So this is a blanket for my son. Oh, this is big. This is not going to fit in all the camera, but it's huge. It has a lot of things on it. This is a very soft feeling. The other side is white. What? Buy one, get one, 50% off of those. Those coupons they sent you. $13.99, and the other one was $6.99. Like, what? I'm going to try to remember to put all the pictures below, all the products that I got, and the prices, and the links. I'm hoping I got everything. I'm hoping that it all showed up and my camera was focusing all right. But if you want to see more hauls from Temu, more Dollar Tree, or whatever it is that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap that bell, and hit all so you do get notified, and like, because it does help me out a lot. Thank you all for your support. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'll see you all next time.